2020 Chevy Equinox. We're going to service the cabin air filter today. Go ahead and disconnect this damper first. Just grab it. You might have to use a screwdriver because these are kind of difficult. It's kind of difficult. So you need to pop it loose like that. And you have the stopper right here. We need to pull the glove box in, pull it down. Same thing on this side here. Pull it down. You might have to go back and forth with it until you get it. Like this. Okay, then you can lower it. The cabin filter. Oh, I've got some manuals here. Is located right here. You're gonna need to remove these two screws right here to be able to access it. And then you're gonna push these tabs in and pull this door off. Okay, there's a tab here. Also push it inward, pull the door off. So the bolts that are in here are 5.5 millimeter. So just pull these out. All right, push this tab in, pull the door. Push the tab in, pull the door, it'll lift up, and slide the filter out. This one's actually installed wrong. If you look, we have arrows here. They're supposed to be facing down, okay? It's pretty dirty, pretty nasty. Got this new premium filter here. If you need one, check the description box. I'll have a link. Takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Has the arrows on it. This is for airflow. We're going down. So it does go in long ways, okay. Slide that booger in here. Make sure it's all the way in. Close the door, okay. Now you can put the screws back if you want, or you can leave them out if you're going to serve this thing a whole lot. But that's pretty much it. Line up the hinge real quick. What we're going to do is close the glove box. Hook up the damper. And we're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.